Hello, I'm Madhura. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is chapli kebab. Kebab is from Peshawar city of Pakistan and it belongs to Pashtun cuisine. This is actually made of lamb mince meat or chicken mince meat, and it has a lot of roasted whole spices and herbs which gives a unique flavor of it. Chapli means actually is a flatten, so it's not kebab as a seek or skewer. We are going to make a small patty and we will make a tawa fry. So let me drive to all the ingredients. So I have taken 500 grams of chicken mince. It has 80% of mince meat and 20% of fat. In this I will be adding up 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, which is dry and roasted, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seed crust, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. We will be having half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of dry mint, 7 small chili which is chopped, half cup of red onion which is finely chopped, quarter cup of cilantro chopped, quarter cup of diced tomato, (10 grams) of garlic and 10 grams of ginger crust, and we will be adding 3 tablespoons of roasted besan, half tablespoon of salt. Salt can be, you have to check as needed. Now I'm going to mix all of them. And make a small dough and keep it in refrigeration for marination for like minimum of 1 hour. Now I'm going to keep this in a refrigeration for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, we'll just take a little oil in our palm and make a small round, not too much thick, it should be thin, and make a small patty and place it in a plate prior to shallow fry. So like this we will be making small patty. Don't make it too thick, otherwise it will take time to cook. So like that, a small patty we are going to make it. So the tawa is ready. I'm going to just put little oil in it. This is non-stick pan, so I don't need much of oil. And we will be just putting the small patties which we have made, chapli kebab. And we will be cooking 2.5 minutes each side at medium low heat. Make sure you need to flip it otherwise it will burn on one side. So after 2.5 minutes, I'm going to flip it. You can see it's giving a beautiful color. Here the besan is giving proper binding to it. It's holding entire moisture because it has so much of moisture into it. You have an onion, you have tomato. So besan works as a binding agent over here. So we will cook another 2.5 minutes to the other side, and like 5 to 7 minutes approximately we will be cooking this patty till it's done. So after 2.5 minutes, again I'm going to flip it. You can see the patty is very much cooked. It's given a beautiful color. Doesn't require much of oil because it's a non-stick pan itself. The minced meat has a 20% of fat, so it gets cooked by itself in its own fat. So I'm going to cook it another 2 to 3 minutes. So basically we are going to cook for 7 to 8 minutes, and then we will be taking out. So after 3 minutes we will flip it back, and you can see such a beautiful color it got, and we will just take it out. It's ready for service. Hope you enjoyed making chapli kebab along with me. The best part in this kebab, you can pre-make and keep it in your freezer. So make a small patty and layer with the parchment paper and keep it in your deep freezer. Take it out half an hour before you're cooking and it will be defrosted. Please try it and take a picture, post it and leave some comment for us. Do not forget to subscribe and like my channel, and the recipes are given in madhurasdesire.com step by step. Please follow that. See you soon. Till then, enjoy cooking, eat healthy, stay healthy.